Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you some email marketing tips and best practices that you can apply to your email marketing. So if you want to learn how to get your subscribers to open your emails, get them to click on your emails, and get your emails across to your subscribers' inboxes, and ultimately increase the revenue of your business using email, then keep watching this video. Hi, my name is Aurelius Tjin from aureliustjin.com, and I help online entrepreneurs like yourself get results in their online business. So if you want to get more videos and training and tips, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so then you'll be alerted of any new videos I post up on this channel. All right, so email marketing. Email marketing has been the #1 driver of traffic and sales in my own business. And it is a proven fact that email marketing has the highest return on investment versus social media and all other different channels. All right, so in this video, I want to discuss 10 tips and email marketing best practices that you can apply to your email marketing. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first tip is to make sure every time you send an email or writing an email, you are writing for a single purpose. And that single purpose could be for your subscribers to purchase a product, to get them to read your latest blog post, or to watch your latest video. What you should avoid is giving people multiple things to take action on. So if you are promoting 3 different products in that one email, then it's not going to convert as high for each product. Instead, what you should do if you're going to promote a product is write a direct response email. By just having one single purpose for your subscribers to take action on, it makes things a whole lot easier. Imagine this for a second. You're going to get ice cream and you're confronted with 20 different flavors: chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, choc chip, and all sorts of other flavors. It's going to take you a whole lot of time just to decide which flavor you feel like eating. So imagine writing an email and telling people, oh, check out this new blog post and watch this video, and also comment and do all sorts of different types of actions. So by reducing the amount of steps and actions that your subscriber needs to do, you're going to get them to actually take action on that single purpose that you really want them to do. All right, the second tip also has to do with sort of email copy and writing more effective emails, and that is to spell out the steps. So what do I mean by spelling out the steps? If you look at this example, this is one of the email campaigns I sent out for a product that I promoted. I offered a bonus for my customers if they purchase through my affiliate link. So I lay out the steps. So step 1, purchase the product through this link here. And then step 2, forward your receipt to me. And then that's it. I'll forward and respond back with your bonus. By spelling out the steps, not only are you making it easy, making it very clear and concise on what your subscriber needs to do, it also gets them to actually take action because people like things in sequences. The third tip is to integrate story into your emails. Now, don't be too worried about what story you should put and whether you should start out with once upon a time. That's not what you want to do. You don't want to tell your life story. But what you do want to do is just add that human touch by adding story. Stories are very relatable, and that is why you want to integrate it into your email somewhere rather than just sounding like a robot. You can share stories about what you did yesterday or today, such as you went to the store and you bumped into this old friend of yours. If it's related to what the remaining email of yours is about, then that's great. Otherwise, don't worry or stress out too much about it. What's more important is to add that personal touch to your emails. All right, fourth tip is a little more technical, and that is to get people to whitelist your email. Straight after someone signs up to your email list or newsletter, give them instructions on what they need to do to whitelist your email so then your emails don't land in spam or promotions tab. Thankfully, there's actually a tool that generates a whitelisting instructions page that you can actually upload to your own website. All you need to do is fill your name, fill your from address, and put your company name if you want to. Click generate, and then you are given this page that's customized, and then you upload it to your own website. So after someone subscribes, you can say something like, thanks for subscribing to my newsletter. Please follow these instructions on how to whitelist my email so then you don't miss out on my newsletters. And then link that up to that whitelisting instructions page. You can see in this example page how it works. So once they land on this whitelisting instructions page, they choose which email client or program they use. So let's say Gmail, they click Gmail, and that'll give them the exact steps on how to whitelist your email. All right, the fifth tip is to avoid spam trigger words. As an email marketer, you have to choose your words wisely. The reason why is because if you use certain words, it'll be triggered and red flagged in the eyes of ISPs or internet providers and mail servers. Words like free, business opportunity, work at home can all send your email straight to the spam box of your subscribers. It's not always the case, but if you can reduce the amount of spam trigger words you use in your email, then you'll have a higher chance of your emails landing in your subscribers' inboxes. Tip number 6 is to send to unopens. And what I mean by this is to send the email that you previously sent to people and subscribers who didn't open your initial email. For example, if you have an email list of 10,000 subscribers and only 1,000 of those open your email, there's a remaining 9,000 who actually haven't opened your emails. So you can filter it and resend that email to those subscribers. Here's a little tip here. What you can do is change the subject line because perhaps that first email just didn't resonate with those subscribers who didn't open in the first place. I do this with all of the emails that I send out, no matter if it's promotional or content. I resend it to those who just haven't seen that first email. All right, tip number 7 is to set the expectations at the start and ideally in your welcome email. The reason why you want to set the expectations at the start is so there are no surprises for your subscribers. So what you want to do in your welcome email is to actually indicate how many times you will be sending them a newsletter or an email each week or each month, whatever it is, whatever frequency it is, and also let them know what's in it for them. What are they going to get by subscribing to your newsletter? Okay, tip number 8 is to practice list hygiene. Just like maintaining a vehicle, you also need to maintain your email list. You do this by making sure that you remove contacts who are no longer active. Most popular email marketing platforms allow you to filter subscribers by certain dates and by certain actions that they've taken in the past. Personally, what I do is remove contacts who actually haven't opened any of my emails in the past 6 months. There's really no point keeping these inactive subscribers on your database because not only are you spending money on your email marketing platform fees, because the more subscribers you have, the more it'll cost you down the road, you're also going to hurt your sender reputation because you're getting lower clicks, lower open rates, and lower engagement overall. So focus on quality over quantity if you want to succeed with email marketing. Tip number 9 is to give away your best stuff for free. If you have a product or course that would normally sell for something like $47 or $97, why not give it away for free to show the value you're willing to offer your subscribers? Most people feel like they need to hold back on their best tips and advice for their course or their product or service. But in actual fact, what you should be focusing on is the top of the funnel because eventually that is where you're going to be driving traffic to. Then they see all the other offers in the pipeline. All right, last but definitely not least is the final tip, and that is to make sure you offer value first. You always have to think about what's in it for them, what's in it for your subscribers by subscribing to your email list. As much as you want to sell your product or service, it's always going to go back to them. It's about their needs and wants. And if you're not going to offer what they want, then they're simply going to unsubscribe and go somewhere else. With email marketing, at the end of the day, there are 2 parties to satisfy. The first is obviously your subscribers. You need to make sure you offer value. And secondly is the internet provider or mail servers. When your subscribers actually interact with your emails, open, click, read your emails, that shows mail servers and internet providers that your emails are of high quality. And these providers really just are protecting and looking out for the end user, which is why your emails should always be of value. All right, so I hope these email marketing tips and best practices have helped you. If you enjoyed and found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. In the meantime, be sure to watch these videos to continue learning how to grow your online business.